Footsteps echo on wet pavement. A solitary figure in the night. Call her up against the rain. Streetlights flicker dim and faint. Walking alone, wrapped in my coat, thoughts as heavy as the clouds above. Each raindrop a memory that falls in this city of faded love. Puddles mirror neon signs, reflecting a world turned upside down. Hands deep in pockets, searching for warmth. Face hidden beneath a furrowed frown. Is it the rain that falls, or are they tears washing away the dust of bygone years? In this solitude I find my pace, a rhythm with a score, a silent embrace. Empty benches in the park, where once we sat and made our plans. Now I walk these paths alone. Your absence heavy on my hands. Alone, wrapped in my coat, thoughts as heavy as the clouds above. Each raindrop a memory that falls in this city of faded love. As dawn breaks, the rain subsides. My coat is shelter from the storm inside. Perhaps tomorrow the sun might show, but for now I let the raindrops flow.